Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So today I created this look which is basically for the Diwali look. I will be showing you my whole outfit, but this is my look. If you want to know how I created it, keep on watching. So my saree is from Amazon and my blouse is from Myntra. If you guys want to buy, I will put the link in the description just in case if you guys want to check it out. So hi guys, I have already prepped my skin and done my base. So if you want to know how I prep my skin and do my base, I will put a link in the description. You guys may check that, which is one of my previous video in which I have shown you guys how I prep my skin and done my base. So that's it. Now I will do the further step. Also I have done my eyebrows. I will put the video. You guys can check how I do all these steps. Now I will start from where I left. I always do my eyes first, but today I'm going to complete the leftover base. Using a concealer, just going to highlight a little bit. A little on my lid and a little on the bridge of my nose. Using a beauty blender to blend everything. Now I'm going to set everything with loose powder. Now I'm going to contour my face. For that I'm using NYB contour stick. Again using my beauty blender to blend everything. Now I'm going to use a blush. I'm using the Nykaa Blush Duo. The final step of my base is using a highlighter. Now finally I'm going to do my eyes. So I'm going to do something blue and brown related contrast to my outfit. So I'm using this palette, Revolution Hypnotic palette. First I'm going to take a transition shade. So I'm going to use this shade.
So I'm using this shade all over my lid as a transition.
Now I'm going to use a blue shade. So I'm going to use the blue shade here.
Applying the blue shade on the outer corner of my eyes and building it up because it's a very light pigmented shade. Now I'm using this glitter shade and applying on the middle portion of my eyelid, and then I'm going to take another glitter shade which I'm going to apply on the inner corner of my eyelids. Blending all my eyeshadows well. And using the transition shade to blend everything well. Now I'm using this brown eyeliner or kajal and using it on my lower lash line. Taking a black kajal and applying on the upper lash line and blending it with my fingers, just merging it with the eyeshadow. Now I'm curling my eyelashes and using a mascara. Then I'm going to curl the eyelashes again.
Now I'm going to take the highlighter. take a little bit on a brush, apply it on my inner corner, and my brow bone. So this is how my eye look turned out. Let me complete it on my other eye. So for lipstick, I used Nykaa Matte Me in the shade 13M Mule Wine, and now I'm going to set my makeup. For that, I'm going to use MAC Prep Plus Prime Gold Light version. Shake it well. Took a shower. Hey guys, so this is my final look. I wore a beautiful earring and some black bangles to make the look perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you recreate it, don't forget to tell me anywhere on Instagram, on Facebook. I have put all the links in my description. So if you want to tell me how you recreated it, don't forget to tag me or do DM me your look. So yeah, that's it. Meet you on the next video. Till then, goodbye.